Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to hide your phone number on Snapchat app. First, open the Snapchat app on your smartphone. Tap on your bitmoji on the home screen. And when you reach your profile, then tap on the cogwheel icon to go to settings screen. Is the top right corner. Tap setting, then select the mobile number button is the fourth option in my account heading, and then turn the let other find me using my mobile number uncheck. Even if you have used your mobile number to create Snapchat, you can rest easy knowing that people will not be able to find you through your contact information.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.